What? Ah, God damn it. Hi everyone, my name is Hunter. Asshole! How could you? Don't know there, how are the... Holy... Yes, I love you too. So, how is everyone? This is the second part. Denzel! Hey, stop touching me! Ah! Asshole, get off of me! Asshole! Did you get off of me? I'm trying to get the belly. So, after that, now it's attached to my bottom jaw. So, how the heck is everyone? So, yeah, I'm taking you, Tesla, I'm taking you. So, yeah, hopefully everyone has a good day. I want to give a shout out to two of my favorite channels, Markiplier and Venos Gaming. You guys keep on doing what you're doing. Mark, I hope you get a couple more subscribers. Venos, tell no go to, not get run over by a pickup truck. Okay, so, see you guys later. Bye.